Stop paying full price. Let's unlock those sweet Flipkart coupon codes right now. First, always check the Flipkart homepage for active banners. They frequently showcase ongoing promotions and limited-time coupon offers. Tap on any banner that catches your eye. Next, navigate to the SuperCoin Zone. You'll find this either in the bottom navigation bar or within the account section. Supercoins can be redeemed for exclusive coupons. Browse the Supercoin offers. See anything tempting? You can exchange your Supercoins for special coupon codes that can save you money on your next purchase. Now, while browsing products, always check the offers section on the product page itself. Many products have specific bank offers, exchange discounts, or even direct coupon codes. Finally, on the checkout page, look for the Apply Coupon option. This is where you'll manually enter any coupon codes you found or automatically apply any eligible offers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you will never miss the chance to save money on your Flipkart shopping. Happy shopping!